MuchoHoppers, and welcome to MuchoHop. You know, I had my camera in my suitcase and I took it out because I learned a huge lesson today and I want to share this with you. Because even the pros make mistakes and I want to tell you guys what I did today. MuchoHop, you should know better. So I almost missed my flight today because I did something really stupid, and you shouldn't do this. Okay, so here's the situation. I had a flight from Frankfurt Airport to Barcelona. It was a typical flight. I didn't think I would have to film anything, so I put my camera away, and I actually have some videos on the flight, so I wasn't going to film it again. I arrived to the airport 3.5 hours before my flight. I was leaving from Terminal 1A, Gate 11, and that's like really close. I wasn't worried about it. I knew I had plenty of time because Gate 11, A11 is like you pass the boarding card control and then security and then you have duty free and then you just walk a little and you have Gate 11, so it was no big deal. I knew it was going to take me about 10 minutes. So smart old me decided to have a tea outside of the boarding area. Outside, okay? I was in like where the train station was and I decided to go shopping, buy some toothpaste and walk around there and take my time. And I never ever do this. I always tell you guys the first thing you do when you get to the airport is go straight to your gate. Don't I always say that? I always say this, but I had 3.5 hours, so I took my time. So two things happened today that just changed everything. One is that they changed my boarding gate. So instead of 11, they changed it to 30. So now I had to walk a little bit extra. So that wasn't so bad because it was only like 10 or 15 minutes more that I would have to walk, so it's really no big deal. The other thing that happened was that security control was crazy today. There were these huge lines that I've never ever seen before. I asked around to see what was going on. Nobody really knew, but the lines were like going out the door. I tried to film a little bit inside. So it's really crazy here at Frankfurt Airport. I don't know what's going on. There are these huge lines. I've been online for about half an hour and I'm still like 2 rows away. For security, I'm at Terminal 1A. This is what I was able to record. You know, you're surrounded by guards and security, so you can't really film in there. They usually only open up one part of security, but today both parts were open. I was like, oh my goodness, how am I gonna get out of here? It took me about 45 minutes to go through security today. So boarding was at 5 o'clock. It was 5:15 and I was still in security. So I finally got through. I ran over to the gate. I'm like, get out of my way, running with my suitcase like a maniac. I finally got there and there were 2 people on standby that were waiting for my seat. Luckily they didn't cancel it, but the lady told me that they were just about to cancel my seat because I wasn't showing up. So I was lucky there. I got in the plane and no problem, and I'm here in Barcelona finally. But that has never ever happened to me. You see how important it is, what I've always said. Once you get to the airport, go straight to your gate and then have your coffee and tea and whatever, shop and whatever. Okay, don't do what I did today. You'll be running all over the airport like a maniac and being super nervous online at security, so don't do that. Don't be stupid like I was, okay? I hope this video helped you guys. I think it's a great tip, you know, once you get to the airport, go straight to your gate. I always say it. The thing is, I always say it, but today I didn't listen to my own advice. So thanks for watching, hoppers, and I'll see you guys in my next video real soon. Bye.